Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Design and DIYs with Indira. I'm glad to have you back. Welcome if it's your first time here. I wanted to share with you guys this cute little bedside lamp that I made using mostly Dollar Tree items. I apologize guys if my voice is a little scratchy, but I am a little bit under the weather, so I'm kind of working with what I have. If this is your first time here, I would love for you to go ahead and subscribe for more DIYs and designs with me. So as you can see, I tried to make it a little bit glam. I needed a lamp for the little dresser that I got from Home Goods, but all the ones that I found were a little too large for the scale of the dresser. And so I just decided to make this cute little lamp. It gives off quite a bit of light, and it's the perfect size for the dresser top, as you can see. So for the base of the lamp, I used these two candle holders from Dollar Tree, some silver spray paint, some E6000, and a push light. So I went ahead and spray painted the bases of the candle holders, and using some white acrylic gems from the Dollar Tree. My initial plan was to fill the glass parts of the tea light holders and attach them like that. But what I discovered is that the bottom of one clips onto the top of the other one pretty securely. So if you want to make this and make it a candle holder instead of a lamp, and you want a temporary hold, you can just clip it on, and it's actually pretty secure. You'll see that I can shake it a little bit and it stays clipped on. But I wanted this to have a permanent hold, so I took a little bit of E6000, just put a little bit around the base of the top of one of the candle holders, just clipped it together like that. And this is what we have so far. Sorry guys, I've been going in and out of hot weather, cold weather, got a little sick and my voice is suffering. I apologize. So I take a acrylic gem and I'm just gonna hot glue it to the base, each base of each candle holder. And what I started to do was just glue some acrylic gems on the base to see if I like them or not. Now, if you make this project yourself, one thing that I will tell you is that the hot glue and the spray paint don't like each other. So the acrylic gems do break off pretty quickly. You'll see right here when I'm showing it to you, the bottom right there. You see those three detach right there. So if you want this to be more of a permanent hold, I would suggest using the E6000 and hot glue to keep the gems attached. So I just went ahead and covered the bottom with the acrylic gems, and it just completely covers up the bottom. I glued some acrylic gems to the side of the middle of the lamp, and I just taped it to keep it in place, because as you know, E6000 tends to slide about a little bit, so I taped it to keep it in place. Now I'm taking some of these rhinestones from the Dollar Tree and I'm placing them around the silver part of the lamp, and it's right at the bottom where the glass ends and the metal part of the candle holder begins. So you can see there the bottom of it is wrapped, and I'm taking strips of the rhinestones and putting them all around, and that's what that looks like. These rhinestones are really pretty. They catch light really easily, but you do need hot glue to keep them attached or they will peel off. So this is what the lamp is looking like so far. The middle of it looks like a cute little glam cupcake, doesn't it? It's adorable. But I think it needs a little something more. So I ordered some plastic chandelier gems from Amazon for my Christmas tree. So I used some needle nose pliers to detach the large pendant, and using hot glue, I'm just going to attach it to this area right here of the lamp. And because it's plastic, it does hold. This is a little canister from the Target dollar spot, and I got this during Christmas. You can see there with the house and the trees. They do have Valentine's ones like these now, but I just already had this, so why spend the money? So I don't want the lampshade to come all the way down, so I'm measuring where I want it to go. So I cut a square piece of foam board that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I traced out the base of the canister, and measuring 1/2 inch out from it, I'm going to mark it all the way around, and then I'm going to cut the circle out with some scissors. And this is just an approximate size of what I think I'll need. So I'm going to go ahead and bend up the end so I can slide it into the lampshade. And it's too big, so I have to cut it down a little more. And I'm just pushing it in, and it's being held up with tension. I would suggest go ahead and gluing it down. I did a couple of days after I did this project go ahead and glue it down, and using the self-adhesive and a little bit of hot glue, I attached the push light to the inside. I did go ahead and trim the canister or the lampshade with the rhinestones from Dollar Tree, but there you can see the plastic pendants, chandelier pendants hanging down from the center, and I think it adds just the perfect accent to this Glam lamp that you can completely DIY. This is how it looks with the lights off, and the little cutouts in the lampshade kind of cast their shape and shadows onto the wall behind it. It adds the perfect amount of light. These push lights have 8 lumens each. So if you want to use, you can use anything in these guys for the amount of light that you would like to have for the area. And I'm going to go ahead and show you what it looks like with the acrylic rocks and the LED color changing light inside, in case you want to use it as a candle holder. And of course you can use real candles as well. But what I did was I went ahead and added some acrylic gems. These are the ones that come with the tea lights from Dollar Tree, and I put a few in the top just to help diffuse the light, add a little more sparkle. And then I went ahead and pushed the light on, put the lampshade on, and there you have it. Cutest little bedside lamp. Again, it's the perfect size for the area that I needed, and very cost effective too. You guys know lamps cost a lot of money. So I'm really pleased with how this turned out. So I want to thank you guys for hanging in there with me and my scratchy voice today. Again, I would love to have you stop by my channel again and again to see my DIY. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you again in my next video. Bye-bye.